Welcome to my channel, Daily Dose of Knowledge. Today's topic is machine learning. Question 1. Which of the following is not a type of supervised learning? A. Classification. B. Regression. C. Clustering. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Clustering. Clustering algorithms are a type of unsupervised learning models. Their goal is to cluster the data into groups. Supervised learning is a machine learning approach that's defined by its use of labeled datasets. These datasets are designed to train or supervise algorithms into classifying data or predicting outcomes accurately. Question 2. As the amount of training data increases, A. Training error usually decreases and generalization error usually increases. B. Training error usually decreases and generalization error usually decreases. C. Training error usually increases and generalization error usually decreases. D. Training error usually increases and generalization error usually increases. Answer is C. A larger training set decreases the score because it is more difficult for the learning algorithm to learn a model that correctly represents all the training data. However, as we increase the size of the training set, the test score also increases, due to an increase in the model's ability to generalize. Question 3. Which of the following are not classification tasks? A. Find the gender of a person by analyzing his writing style. B. Predict the price of a house based on floor area, number of rooms, etc. C. Predict whether there will be abnormally heavy rainfall next year. D. Detect pneumonia from chest X-ray images. Answer is C. Predict whether there will be abnormally heavy rainfall next year. Question 4. A feature F1 can take certain value A, B, C, D, E, F and represents grade of students from a college. Which of the following statements is true? A. F1 is an example of a nominal variable. B. F1 is an example of ordinal variables. C. It doesn't belong to any categories. D. Both of these. Answer is B. Ordinal variable is a type of categorical variable where the values have a specific order or ranking. The values of an ordinal variable are typically numerical or alphanumeric, but they represent a level of a variable that is not evenly spaced. Question 5. Which of the following tasks is not a suitable machine learning task? A. Finding the shortest path between a pair of nodes in a graph. B. Predicting if a stock price will rise or fall. C. Predicting the price of petroleum. D. Grouping mails as spams or non-spams. Answer is A. Finding the shortest path between a pair of nodes in a graph. Question 6. Which of the following is correct for reinforcement learning? A. The algorithm plans a sequence of actions from the current state. B. The algorithm plans one action at each time step. C. The training instances contain examples of states and best actions of the states. D. The algorithm groups unseen data based on similarity. Answer is B. Reinforcement learning, RL, is the science of decision making. In the absence of a supervisor, the learner must independently discover the sequence of actions that maximize the reward. This discovery process is akin to a trial and error search. The quality of actions is measured by not just the immediate reward they return, but also the delayed reward they might fetch, as it can learn the actions that result in eventual success in an unseen environment without the help of a supervisor. Question 7. People who bought this also bought. Recommendations seen on Amazon is a result of which algorithm? A. User-based collaborative filtering. B. Content-based filtering. C. Item-based collaborative filtering. D. None of the above. Answer is C. In collaborative filtering, we tend to find similar users and recommend what similar users like. In this type of recommendation system, we don't use the features of the item to recommend it, rather we classify the users into the clusters of similar types, and recommend each user according to the preference of its cluster. Question 8. When there is noise in data, which of the following options would improve the performance of the KNN algorithm? A. Increase the value of K. B. Decrease the value of K. C. Changing value of K will not change the effect of the noise. D. None of these. Answer is A. Increase the value of K. Question 9. Which of the following methods do we use to best fit the data in logistic regression? A. Least square error. B. Maximum likelihood. C. Jaccard distance. D. Both A and B. Answer is B. Maximum likelihood. Question 10. Suppose you are dealing with three-class classification problem and you want to train a SVM model on the data. For that you are using one versus all method. How many times we need to train our SVM model in such case? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer is C. 3.